An Indian delegation, led by Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State of the Ministry of Law and Justice, visited the United Kingdom from September 30th to October 2nd, 2024. Dr. Rajiv Mani, Secretary, Department of Legal Affairs and Legislative Department, and Shri Dhruva Kumar Singh, Chief Controller of Accounts in the Department of Legal Affairs, accompanied the Honourable Minister during the UK visit. Shri Vikram Doraiswamy, India's High Commissioner to the UK, and other senior officers of the Commission joined during the important engagements. The Minister of Law and Justice along with other members of the Indian delegation participated in the bilateral meeting with the UK's Lord Chancellor and Secretary of State for Justice, the RT. Honourable Shabana Mahmood. The discussions held in a cordial and friendly atmosphere between both the sides focused on having deeper cooperation, particularly in the area of simplification of laws and use of plain language in legislative drafting alongside sharing of best practices in EDR mechanisms, particularly arbitration and mediation. The current status of various reforms undertaken by India in the fields of laws and policy for facilitating quicker dispute resolution. Economic growth and investments was discussed. The progress made in the facilitation of UK qualified legal professionals and law firms to operate in India was deliberated in the meeting held on previous day, the 1st of October, 2024 between the Chairman Bar Council of India and President of the Law Society of England and Wales, in the presence of the officials of both the countries, was informed. Other matters of bilateral interest were also discussed. Earlier on the 2nd of October 2024 HMOS, L&J was the chief guest at the function on Gandhi Jayanti, organised by the Indian High Commission at Tavistock Square, London. The Minister of State, Ministry of Law and Justice visited the London School of Economics and paid tribute to Baba Saheb, Drive, Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He visited other places associated with Baba Saheb and Swami Vivekanand during their London sojourn. HMOS, L&J on the 1st of October, 2024 attended the opening of the UK Legal Year ceremony at Westminster Abbey, London, alongside law, justice ministers and high-level representatives from countries such as Italy, Germany, and the European Union. He later met members of the Indian diaspora.